Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of large language models, also known as LLMs. These are some seriously impressive AI programs that can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and even answer your questions in an informative way, just like me. But here's the thing, with great power comes great responsibility, right? And as these LLMs become more and more sophisticated, a big question mark hangs over their heads. Can we trust them? Now, you might be thinking, isn't that a bit dramatic? It's just a computer program. Well, not quite. LLMs are trained on massive datasets of text and code, and that training data can be full of biases, misinformation, and even outright falsehoods. Imagine feeding 1,000,000 articles to a giant language sponge. It's going to soak up everything, good, bad, and ugly. So, let's talk about a specific LLM, Gemini. It's a powerful tool, capable of generating human-quality writing and answering your questions in an informative way. But is Gemini something you can rely on blindly? Here's the thing, trust is a two-way street. On the one hand, Gemini, like any LLM, is only as good as the data it's trained on. If that data is full of holes, well, your results are going to be questionable at best. But on the other hand, we, the users, also have a responsibility. We need to be critical consumers of information, no matter how fancy the source. Just because something sounds authoritative or is delivered in a smooth, convincing way doesn't mean it's true. So, how can we navigate this new world of LLMs? Here are a few tips. Know your source. Just like you wouldn't take medical advice from a random stranger on the internet, don't accept information from an LLM as gospel. Always double-check facts, especially if they seem surprising or controversial. Look for bias. LLMs are trained on massive amounts of text data, and that data can reflect the biases of the real world. Be aware of potential slants and try to get information from a variety of sources. Use your common sense. Does the information you're getting from the LLM just seem off? Trust your gut. If something sounds fishy, it probably is. Now, I'm not saying that LLMs are inherently bad. Far from it. These are powerful tools that can be used for good. Imagine a world where LLMs can help us translate languages more effectively, write educational materials in a variety of languages, or even help us combat online misinformation. The possibilities are endless. But like any tool, LLMs need to be used responsibly. We, as users, need to be aware of their limitations and potential biases. So, to answer the question, is Gemini trusted? Well, it depends. Can it be a valuable tool? Absolutely. But can you blindly trust everything it tells you? Definitely not. The key is to be informed, to be critical, and to use your common sense. With that approach, LLMs like Gemini can be a powerful asset, not a liability. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and stay safe in the wild world of AI.